Hello, everyone. My name is Joseph Ejike Oji. Today, in this lecture, I'm going to show you how to calculate binomial probability using Excel. So let us begin. I'm going to present on the screens, project on the screen so you can see the topic we are going to cover. It says here, a survey found that 30% of teenagers or teenage consumers receive their spending money from part-time jobs. If 5 teenagers are selected at random, find these probabilities that exactly 3 of them have part-time jobs, at least 3 of them have part-time jobs, at most 3 of them have part-time jobs. So this is binomial probability because it has 2 outcomes, or outcomes that can be a result that can be summarized as 2 outcomes. Either these teenagers have part-time jobs or they don't. See, 2 outcomes. Now, another one is this. You have fixed number of trials, which is 5 of them, 5. And the probability of success is 30%, which is 0.3. So to use binomial probability, the Excel, we need this formula here. Binom dist, where n numbers present the x in the probability formula. Then we have, in binomial formula, have trials. I have 5 of them. So number of trials, probabilities here means probability of success. Then cumulative. For this cumulative part, I'll use 0 for non-cumulative and 1 for cumulative. Now, this is a problem that you can solve using a binomial formula. Let me show you the binomial formula, how it looks like. So if you remember the binomial formula, so it's px equals n combination x times p to the power x times q to the power n minus x for x0, 1, 2 to n. Now, this formula will take you a longer time to use. Using this formula to solve this question will take you up to 20 minutes, I believe, or more. But with Excel, it will take you a few minutes, maybe say 2 minutes. So let's do it. Here our P is 30%, which is 0.3. Q, since we're using Excel, we don't really need Q because it's already factored into the formula. But I'm going to show you how to get it anyway. 1 minus P, which is this. And the number of trials is, there are 5 teenagers selected, so 5. So I'm going to calculate probability from 0 to 5. Then I can choose my answers from what I have on the screen. So I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me calculate each of them, just one of them, then I can answer the questions. So I'm going to use this formula again. This is the Excel formula for calculating binomial probability. So equals binom this dot dist. Okay. Numbers. So I'm going to click on 0, comma. Trials. 5 of them for 5 teenagers were selected. Okay. I'm going to type 5 there, comma. Probability is 0.3. So that 0.3 because it's stayed the same for binomial. Probability of success is constant. Okay. Then for the cumulative part, since I'm calculating individual probabilities for 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, so I'm going to use 0 because it says 0 for non-cumulative. So I'm going to type 0 here. Then close my parentheses. I press enter key. That will give me the result. And like this result, I can copy down right here. See? That gives me the probability I'm looking for all of them. Now with this, we can answer the questions. Part A says, the probability that exactly 3 of them have part-time jobs. So probability of exactly 3 equals, you can see right here, it's a 3. This is the probability right here, 0.1323. So I'm going to put it here equals 0.1223. So I've answered that question. So that the probability that exactly 3 of them were part-time jobs with 0.1323 or 13.23%. You can see right here. Okay. Part B says the probability that at least 3 of them. At least 3 means 3 or more. So since we have 5 teenagers, the probability of 3 plus probability of 4 plus that of 5, we add them, give us answer right away. So we have probability of at least 3. So we'll have it right here, probability of 3, 4, and 5. So we're going to have it here equals this plus that plus that. I'll give me the answer right away. See? So there are 16.3% chance that there are at least 3 of them. Yeah. So the other one is at most 3. Okay. At most 3 means from 3 or less. That means probability of 0, that of 4, probability of 5, and probability of 6. Sorry, 0, 1, 2, probability of 0 plus probability of 1 plus probability of 2 and that of 3. So C, probability of at most 3 equals 0 plus probability of 1 plus probability of 2, okay, plus probability of 3. So that's the answer right here. So these are all the probabilities required. So if you're using a formula, this can take you up to 20 minutes to finish. And of course, when you factor in the probability that you can make a mistake, you judge for yourself. So this is a question that will take up to 20 minutes, but we finish it in less than 3 minutes. That is the power of technology. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to see you in my next lecture when I will teach how to calculate the mean, variance, and standard deviation of a binomial distribution. Again, my name is Joseph Ejike Ojir. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.